Rocking, dude. Oh my goodness. All right, go back and get your gun.
Are you gonna reload so I can shoot him again?
No, he'll die in a minute. Go get the gun. I can't believe you got your first turkey. Come here, give me a 5, dude. Oh my goodness, man.
I didn't even close my eyes.
I know it. You did great. Give me a 5. All right, go get your gun. Hurry up. I can't believe you smoked him, dude.
He didn't even see me. I moved and he didn't even see me.
I know it.
I can't believe the last day we got one.
I can't either.
Are we going to eat it?
Yeah, we can eat it.
That's a good one, too.
It is a good one.
He's fat.
Yes, he is. You did a great job. First shot. Give me a 5, dude.
I think I hit him in the neck because I went down a little.
You did go down a little? Awesome, dude. All right, now you got to carry him out.